Hello, Miss. Good afternoon. The present my activity. Volveré a trabajar solo porque no tengo con quién trabajar. Sé que me dicen los foros que trabajen con el más, pero lo volveré a hacer solo. La actividad de esta semana. Hi, Isaac. Hello, Juan. How are you? What up? I was just relaxing here, looking into your brother's birthday and seeing what I call wet in a gift. All right, it's almost here. What are you planning to her to give her? That's what is working to tell to you about. What do you recommend if her is a gift? Or her leak electronic devices? Should he look at some options? I saw what option do you have in mind? I thought it could be between an old cell phone, a laptop, or a tower for which university work. Yes, I was thinking that too, but isn't it the preferred is cell phone? Really? What do you think that? When Gules she was telling me that she liked a new cell phone that had come out. What cell phone do you think he was talking about? I think he was referring to the next iPhone 17. Oh yeah, I heard that next cell phone is nice. Yes, so that was the best station, right? Yes, I do recommend you hire him as a gift. Okay, friend. Thank you so much, Isaac. I hope everything goes well and your brother has a great birthday. My Evelyn, be so. See you, friend. Take care. Bye bye. Take care, friend. Bye bye.